What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a system test. So for this fire alarm system, and then we're still gonna do a system test because we don't have that many devices. So on the control panel, so the devices we have on the zone, we've got zone 1, zone 5, zone 6, and zone 10. So we're gonna skip zones 2 to 4, then zones 7 to 9, and then 11 to 16. So let's get started with the tunnel. So in the entry room, we have a Smartcell call point on zone 1. So that's one zone down. And then back in the kitchen where we started the introduction, we've got an information call point on zone 5. And a cylinder beacon on zone 5 as well. I don't understand why a cylinder has a zone, but if you guys know, then send it in the comments. So yeah, that's zone 5. The beacon is red, so it flashes on white. So that's zone 5. Then in the garage, we've got a dual detector. So, well, it's on smoke only. So that's zone 6. Right, so let's just leave it. I'll do it when we end the video. And then in the playroom upstairs, we have a dual detector with a cylinder beacon, so it's also on smoke only. And that's all the devices we have. So, can you guys get a guess of what we do before we do the system test? For the people that know, then comment it down in the comments. But for the people that don't know, it's to put the system in test mode. So we've got none coming to our emergency number coming to our house. I changed the code on the panel so it's not the default code. So we're gonna test the call point and the porch, so to zone a walk test and include call points because we're testing the call point. So let's get started. Got the test keys. And then when I set this call point off, I'll run upstairs so you can see how the dual detector sounded. So you know how the sounders sounded like in the playroom. So, and then I'll set off this call point, then we'll run upstairs. So when I do it, I'm gonna reset first. So in 3, 2, 1. So let's set this cold off. In 3, 2, 1. And I got the test key ready so I can reset it. I'll do that after. Right, that one's working. Right, so I couldn't reset it because it was too loud. So let's reset it now. And I'm not gonna reset the panel just yet because I have to sign the logbook and I have to see the location. So here's this logbook. So today is the 9th of May 2026. So
I think in your app, where is your DOE app? Maybe you have.
right, so that's the date today and the location coach. Zone 1 first.
It does see information on your DOE, welcome back. Log into DOE of the DOE app. Visit one of the retail stores.
Approach. And it was a culprit, so right, so check the don't fire alarm test.
See participants, recommended retailers. They recommend these retailers. Go outdoors. Blacks, millets, alchemy outdoors, and tea.
And then it was logged on the night. And then the serial number is
Anyway, let's go to the catalog.
so hold on. It's panel information. Right. So 09 039490.
Come here. Then we can see you badminton, yoga ഒക്കെ നടത്താനും exercise മാത്രം പോലെ you have to eat that lunch. ഒരു ചെറിയ lamb piece ആണ് ഞാൻ വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത്. അത് full കഴിച്ചിട്ട് ഇന്ന് ഷോപ്പിങ്ങിന് പോകുള്ളൂ. Okay, you don't need to eat rice. Eat the lamb.
That's that done. Let me just check if I reset the pulpit. Reset. So we can reset. And then we can reset the panel and restore zones. And then that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up, and if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe so I can get a play button. So that's gonna be it for this video then. So thanks so much to the people that watched this video. So bye now.